video. It's nice to see you. Are you ready for circle time today? Yes? Well, let's do it. Chaga, 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 chaga. The music train is coming. How are you? The music train is coming. How are you? The music train is coming. The music train is coming. The music train is coming. How are you? And we say hello to. How are you? And we say hello to. How are you? And we say hello to the mummies, and we say hello to Christina, and we say hello to everyone. How are you? Yeah! Can I see your hand waving hello to me? Hi! Hello! It's nice to see you, and it's good to be all together. Sing it together. Oh, here we are together, together, together. Oh, here we are together, singing at home with, who's there? Peter and, who's there? Mary and Christina and Mommy. Oh, here we are together, singing at home. It's nice to sing together. So, if you are choose yourself, choose watching this video, just invite your mommy, your daddy, or your caregiver to sit with you, and we can sing together. I have a question for you. How do you feel today? Really? Well, maybe also you can feel a little bit loud. Why not? Or maybe a little quiet. Maybe today you feel quite silly. Or maybe you feel serious. Yeah, grumpy. However you are feeling, it's good to share those feelings with your mommy, with your daddy, or with your caregiver. Also ask them how do they feel. Yes, and they can share with you their feelings also. It's good. It's good to put names on those feelings. Okay, friends, today I have pretty funny songs for you. Mommies, if you have a little baby at home, just sit your baby on your lap, face your baby. And if you have an older child at home, you can also ask your child to sit on your lap, because we are going to sing some funny lap songs. And this song says on. I love my baby, yes I do. I love my baby, yes I do. I love my baby, yes I do. And I'm gonna give a big kiss for you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Let's kiss our babies. I love my baby, yes I do. I love my baby, yes I do. I love my baby, yes I do. And I'm gonna give a big hug to you. Let's give them a big hug. I love my baby, yes I do. I love my baby, yes I do. I love my baby, yes I do. And I'm gonna give a big tickle to you. Tickle, 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 tickle. Let's see, one more time, okay? If you have an older child, you can say, I love my child, yes I do. If you have a baby, just say with me, I love my baby. I love my baby, yes I do. I love my baby, yes I do. I love my baby, yes I do. And I'm gonna give a big kiss to you. I love my baby, yes I do. I love my baby, yes I do. I love my baby, yes I do. And I'm gonna give a big hug to you. Oh, big hug. I love my baby, yes I do. I love my baby, yes I do. I love my baby, yes I do. And I'm gonna give a big tickles to you. Tickle, 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 tickle. Yay! Oh my goodness. Okay, friends. So, we already have the babies or the children in our lap, and we are going to say the next rhyme. The rhyme said so. Popcorn, popcorn, sitting in the pot. Wiggle it, jiggle it, pop, pop, pop. Let's do it one more time. Popcorn, popcorn, sitting in the pot. Wiggle it, jiggle it, pop, pop, pop. Yeah. Now, just give your baby or your child sitting on your lap. We are going to go in another trip, and we are going to go in our little red wagon. Oh, bouncing up and down in my little red wagon, bumping up and down in my little red wagon, bumping up and down in my little red wagon. Won't you be my darling? Oh, one wheel's off and the axle is broken. One wheel's off and the axle is broken. One wheel's off and the axle is broken. Won't you be my darling? Let's fix it. Grab your hammer. Knock, 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 knock. Who's gonna fix it with the hammer? The children gonna fix it with the hammer. Who's gonna fix it with the hammer? Won't you be my darling? Now the wagon is perfectly fixed. Let's go faster. You ready? Oh, bumping up and down in my little red wagon, bumping up and down in my little red wagon, bumping up and down in my little red wagon. Won't you be my darling? Won't you be my darling? Won't you be my darling? Yeah! Oh my goodness, that was fun! Yes, I know, that was fun! My friends, you remember last week I taught you a game. Yes, it was a sound game. We pretended that we were just sound detectives. In that occasion, we were in the park, and the sounds that we hear was just nature sounds. But today, we are indoor. Yes, I am in my house, and the sounds that we can just try to discover and guess are inside of our houses, most of them. So, let's play. For this game, we are going to close our eyes, and we are going to pay attention using our ears, of course. And we are going to try to guess what sound is coming next. You ready? Okay, close your eyes. Can you guess? What is that sound coming from? Yes, they are footsteps. Someone is walking in the house. Let's do another one. Close your eyes. Who's that? What? That sound is coming from where? From the door. Someone is knocking the door. Good job. Let's do another one. Close your eyes. Oh my goodness, that was quick. another one, okay? Maybe this is not too easy or maybe it's not too hard. Let's see. Close your eyes. Yeah, you got it. That is the sound that comes from a phone. Yes, the phone is ringing. Good job, friends. Mommies, daddies, caregivers. Just remember that this type of games will help your child choose to use other senses different to the sight. Yes, and that is going to help him, of course, to discriminate, and in the future will help the baby and the child to with their communication and language skills. Yes, please provide new words and new sounds for him or for her to start discovering, okay? And I have one more song. Yes, and the next song is have some relationship with the last sound. Okay, let's hear the last sound of our game. Close your eyes. Pay attention.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What is that? Actually, that is a sound that you can't find in your house. That is a sound that you can find outside because that is the countdown of the spaceship who just blast off to the space. And I have the perfect song for that song. Do you know what song I'm talking about? Oh, soon, 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 we're going to the moon. Soon, 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 we're going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Soon, 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 we're going to the moon. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Now we are in the moon. Let's go a little farther. Let's go to the sun. You ready? Far, 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 we're going to the sun. Far, 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 we're going to the sun. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Far, 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 we're going to the sun. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! My friends, it's hot here in the sun. Let's go back to Earth. You ready? Let's do it. Soon, 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 we're going back to Earth. Soon, 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 we're going back to Earth. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Soon, 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 we're going back to Earth. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! That was so amazing and that was fun. And now, friends, I always, when we have our life circle time, I always ask you what is maybe your favorite song, maybe one of your favorite songs that you want to sing during circle time. In this moment, I can't ask that because this is just a video. But you can, mommy, daddy, caregivers, you can stop this circle time just right now and ask your child, what song would you like to sing next? Do it, and then we are going to continue to our last song. Okay, let's do it. Just stop, ask your child, what song do you want to sing now? And sing that song with him. Okay, now we are going to sing our last song. And for the last song, we are going to sit beside our mommy or daddy or caregiver, and are going to sing the next one. I love you forever. I like you for always. As long as I'm living, my baby you'll be. I love you forever. I like you for always. As long as I'm living, my baby you'll be. Please tell your child how much you love him. Yes, how much, and give him some kisses and hugs. There you are. And now, my cute friends, let's close our circle together. You ready? Our circle is over, is over, is over. Our circle is over, and now it's time to... What is coming next, Mommy? There you are. So, have a beautiful day. See you soon. Bye-bye.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy